You know, I really think our body and our minds reward us when we press forward because my body was sore the last couple days, and I still worked out. I was still sore like this morning, and I didn't even want to get out of the bed. But walking on a certain day of the week is something that I really like to do. It's rewarding, it's nourishing, and it makes me feel better mentally, spiritually, and it makes my body feel better. So I'm going to at least fight for the things that I enjoy, and they're not always going to come easy. So I press forward, I press through them, and I got it done. One.